Hello, my name is Tanya. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a receivables invoice. Let's begin by navigating to the billing work area. And now let's create a receivables transaction. Note that the invoice transaction class appears by default. I'll enter the required general information. I'll start by selecting the transaction source and type. I'll search for my customer by name and select the customer's payment terms. Now let's enter the invoice line information. I'll enter a description, quantity, and the unit price. Our next step is to complete the invoice and then review the details. After reviewing the information, I'll confirm how the invoice will look when printed. Everything is in order, and I can now save the invoice. And the application confirms the new transaction number. We're done. Thank you.